Hello there, this is Deepika from wisdomaria.com. In this video, I am going to talk about two hostings shared hosting plans. Here my main motive is to clarify some questions which people generally ask, like what do two hosting shared plans include? What are the pros and cons of their shared plan? When to use two hosting? What do their performance tests says? Etc. two hosting is one of the oldest providers around. They are originally from Michigan and started in 2001 under another name. Later on, in 2003, the name was changed to two hosting. On their website you can read that 97% of their customers are satisfied and that they promise up to 20x faster servers. We will see later if their servers are as fast as the Roadrunner or whether two is more like the Coyote. On top of that, their first-term pricing seems like a bargain. But what about the renewal fees? That's exactly why I decided to review two hosting and tell you all about their products, prices, advantages and flaws. So what do their shared hosting plan includes? The pricing listed are for a 12-month plan. Obviously, the longer the contract, the less expensive it becomes. You should be informed, however, that you will be asked to pay the entire sum in advance. Their entry plan, Startup, allows for only one website and 100 gigabytes of storage. Sadly, it doesn't come with the ability to restore the backups that two hosting keeps for you. Bandwidth and storage are unlimited. With the Drive tier, you are allowed to host as many websites as you want, and the storage is unlimited. The backup restore features are enabled too. It also comes with more resources, 1 gigabyte of RAM memory, and 2 cores. The main addition to the Turbo Boost package is its higher performance. Your server will work on HTTP 3. You'll have fewer server neighbors, and the caching options are available. Caching plugins for WordPress, Magento and PrestaShop are included too. The Turbo Max plans have twice as much resources, RAM and cores, than Turbo Boost. At checkout, they offer a bunch of add-ons that you can purchase separately. For example, if you'd like to create your own backups, you can get 5 gigabytes of backup storage for $1.99 extra a month. Paid SSL certificates, spam filters and Cloudflare CDN are also available. For more, you can see this full comparison list by clicking link in the description. Next, let me talk a bit about its pros and cons so you know what to expect from this popular hosting provider. Pros are reliable speed. Even if two hosting wasn't the fastest provider, when I tested them, every year their speed results have always been solid. Advanced features. Their higher plans come with interesting advanced options like staging areas or a server-side caching system. Uptime. Its uptime results are excellent. Server locations. You can choose to host your website in America, East or West Coast, Europe or Asia. Unlimited storage and bandwidth. Your storage is unlimited for the highest 3 plans, although your total number of files can't be more than 600,000 or 300.000 with the cheapest plan. Bandwidth isn't limited either. Cons are on-demand backups paid separately. On-demand backups are limited to the tools that cPanel offers, which are a bit clunky, confusing checkout. Even if they are not as pushy as other providers like iPage, their checkout is loaded with add-ons that you most likely won't need, e.g. paid SSL certificate, concurrent HTTP connections. All shared hosting plans seem to be limited to 35 concurrent HTTP connections to the server. Next, what do their customers say, and what are my personal ratings and reviews? For their customers' trusts, I prefer Trustpilot because according to them, a customer review reflects its experience, and that matters. So first feature is ease to use. Here Indie Cycle Specialist says, From someone with limited tech skill, I have found A2 hosting service to not only be reliable but easy to use. I am currently moving all my hosting from cFunnels and couldn't be happier. Not only indie, there are about 47 plus reviews on ease of use, and out of them 40 plus reviews area in favor of A2 hosting. After researching on other 17 features for their customers, average ratings was 4 out of 5 stars. Quite impressive, right? And within my opinion, with 4.5 out of 5 star ratings, A2 hosting is a solid provider and comes with many interesting features like backups and staging areas. To see the full list, you can click the link in the description. Next, what do their performance tests says? One of the most crucial components of a hosting service, along with assistance, is performance. It's worthless to have cutting-edge technology and features if your hosting provider can't keep up with your website's demands. That's why I put A2 hosting's performance and uptime to the test. Allow me to demonstrate the findings. As we all know, Google and other search engines don't like slow sites, so there are even more reasons to use a fast hosting company. Slow websites aren't hip, and a swift hosting service is essential for keeping a site up and running. As you might expect, site performance is important for user engagement, and several studies have linked sluggish sites to decreased conversion rates. After using tools like Pingdom Webpack Test Gmetrics and Google's PageSpeed Insights to track A2 hosting's performance tests, unfortunately A2 hosting functioned admirably. It took an average of 2.39 seconds to load, which was just 0.85 seconds slower than the best performing supplier. For more, you can check out an overview of their results by clicking the link in the description. Another factor that search engines look at is your site's uptime, which evaluates how many times your site has been down. In other words, how long was your website down? Your organic rankings may suffer if you don't have a good uptime of 99.95% or more. Projects that rely heavily on their website being available at all times, for example, online commerce, might be severely hurt by a server that is always down, so be careful. Fortunately, A2 hosting's uptime for 2020 was 99.99%, and for 2021 it was 99.98%, which is higher than as they offers a 99.90% uptime for all of its clients in their terms of service. Next is most important, when to use A2 hosting's shared hosting. A2 hosting is a good solution in certain cases, but not in others. Let me elucidate those points for you. A2 hosting is a good option if you are looking for a mid-priced service with enough of storage and bandwidth. Furthermore, it has capabilities that similar rivals do not, such as built-in server-side caching, staging regions, and speed optimization plugins for CMSs such as WordPress, PrestaShop, and Magento. A2 shared hosting is an excellent choice for novice bloggers looking for a dependable host, small and medium-sized businesses looking for a serious hosting service, and digital solopreneurs like SEO consultants or WordPress developers looking for storage for their own website and maybe their customers. At last, do I recommend or not? It does have significant limitations, which may make it unsuitable for those wishing to host really large projects. For example, HTTP concurrent connections may not be ideal for some. However, for the money you'll pay, it comes with several benefits: solid speed with SSD drives and server-side caching system, excellent uptime, unlimited bandwidth, generous storage, reliable support, staging and speed optimization options, 4 server locations in 3 continents. So if you want to start cheap and have decent renewal prices, A2 hosting is a capable provider for those looking for a solid host. Check out A2 for 30 days for free with anytime money back guarantee. Link is in the description. For more videos like this, subscribe my channel. like this video and share it with your friends. Thank you. This is Deepika from Wisdomaria.